In front of me is ASUS Zenfone Zoom, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. Firstly, you can simply open Themes app or go into Settings, scroll down and click on Theme over here. Either way, tap on OK in Previous Downloads pop-up and then click on this icon of a brush and the color palette. Now click on Free and tap on the best theme for you. I will go with this one. When you're ready, hit download at the bottom and choose apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default theme, you can access themes the same way. And then click on this little icon of a person with a heart on the right. Now just click on your default theme and tap on apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!